morning, guys. Welcome to another college day in my life. Today is Monday, a fresh new week, and we're almost at Thanksgiving, so there's 3 more days until Thanksgiving. So I only have class today and tomorrow because Wednesdays I just normally don't have class, and then obviously Thursday we don't have class because it's Thanksgiving. So we're really coming down to the end of like real classes before finals week starts. So yeah, I'm just trying to like get as much like prepared as I can and just bring you guys throughout my days, especially because I'm trying to like obviously vlog more because Vlogmas is coming. So yeah, today is actually going to be my last day of lab and our last experiment. So I have also, we don't have any psych class, so I'm just going to tell you my classes for the day. I have my interview strategies class at 10, which I'm going to in a little bit, and then I don't have class at 11:30 to 12:45 like I normally do. So I'm actually going to come home because usually I stay at school from 12:45 and then my next class is at 2:30, so that's already a little big break in between. But if I stayed now, it would be like 3.5 hours. So I'm just going to come home, I'll have my coffee, relax, and I'll go back for my lab at 2:30, and then at 5:30 I have my lecture. So I still already have a big break later, so I don't want to be at school just like bored and like, no. So I want to come home. So that's the little rundown for today. I'm just wearing my red like oversized zip up Champion hoodie and some jeans, and I'm going to throw on my Uggs just to be warm because it's pretty chilly today. Just wanted to start off the vlog, so I'll see you guys probably when I am leaving for school. Alright guys, I just got to school right now. It's 9:45, so I found parking right away, thankfully, in like the parking lot. Sometimes for this class it takes me a while and I circle around until I find something close, unless like I'm already like starting to become late, so I just park anywhere. But today I lucked out with parking and I'm happy, so I'm gonna go inside now and just chill before class starts. I mean, class is gonna start in 10 minutes, so it's not like I'm really early. But yeah, I'll see you guys once I'm done, which it'll like fly by. I literally love this class, so I'm gonna go in now and then go home and drink some coffee, which I'm so excited about. Alright guys, I just came and plugged in my computer. I just got home. I'm making myself a fresh pot of coffee so I can have my coffee, schedule my upload. I think I finished saving yesterday, and then watch a show, relax, maybe take like a 20-minute nap, and then head back at 2:30 for my lab, which hopefully it's not like we cannot be late to that lab. We can't miss that lab. There's no makeup for it. It's like a group one. It's our last one, so I'm so excited to like be done with the labs. Also, like for my interview strategies class that I had this morning, today like was our last like class with doing a journal. So next week I have to hand in all my journals like that I did. So happy I'm done with that. Like everything is like coming to an end, and I'm just like, oh my god, I can't wait for break. While I'm waiting for my coffee to be ready, I'm gonna have one of these apple cider donuts. Hopefully they're good, because one time they bought like the apple crisp donuts and I don't like them. I like the actual apple cider donuts. Alright, I just scheduled my upload and I just finished like editing the thumbnail and everything like that, but I'm gonna sit here and watch Make It or Break It on Freeform. It's like a gymnastics show and I'm rewatching it right now, so that's what I'm doing right now, and I'm like almost done with my coffee already. Alright guys, I just got one of the packages that I've been waiting for, and it is from Hum Nutrition. It's really hard because the packaging is really shiny and bright, but I'm gonna unbox this for you guys. I'm not like gonna talk too much about it today because I'm gonna be doing another video more in depth like after I've been trying it for a while, but I'm gonna unbox it now for you guys. Alright, so the box is just really shiny, like I said. It's so freaking cute. So when you open it up, it just is so super cute. I was like so excited when I opened it, and it just says, when in doubt, dance it out, hashtag start with it. And then I just got these, my 2 little cards saying which ones I got, and I'll talk about like which ones I got and why in a sec. But then you just open up and it has these cute little like confetti type things, which is so cute, and I'm obsessed with the packaging. And then so I got these two. This one is the Daily Cleanse, which helps clear your skin and body from toxins. And then right here is the OMG Omega the Great, which supports even skin tone and a healthy heart and body. So these are the ones that I have, and now I'm going to talk to you guys about how I got these two specifically for me. Alright guys, so a little bit more about Hum Nutrition is they make vitamins and supplements, and they make a quiz for you guys to take and talk about your needs and what you're lacking or what you feel like you need a little bit of a boost on, whether that be skin tone, if you have acne prone skin, whether it's digestion, like getting vitamin D. It's just a whole variety of stuff. You take the quiz, and it's very short quiz, and then you basically get a list of options that would be beneficial for you. And what I really like about it is they have nutritionists who help generate your report, and they email you back, and I feel like it's just really a great way. And they're all about starting from within and, you know, inner beauty, and it's all about just feeling really good from the inside out. And, you know, I always talk about being natural and just like feeling your best, especially when I work out. I don't really do it to be perfect. I'm just like doing what I feel good with and all of that stuff, trying to like eat healthy here and there, but just trying to like always be the best version of myself. And everyone is perfect and everyone is different and beautiful in their own ways, and I just love what they stand for. And these are super easy to get. You don't have to like go in store and, you know, spend time trying to look for what vitamins work best for you, because this is what they're there for, and their quiz really helps. So all you have to do is take a short quiz, and then you are left with the vitamins that would work for you. So when you go on the website, you just scroll down and you take a 3-minute quiz to create your nutrition profile. So you click take the quiz, and then you enter your email, and then you see, just like what I was talking about, they have nutritionists that literally help you create your perfect personalized vitamins. So I'm going to be taking these, and then I will let you guys know in upcoming videos or vlogs how I like them and if I think they're working for me and all of that fun stuff. So definitely go and check them out. I will have a link to the quiz down below so you guys can go and try them, and I will keep you guys updated along the way. Alright guys, me and Amy just left the cafeteria, and we just did some work and everything, and now we're heading to lecture. We had our last lab today finally, so I did the lab report, well, the beginning of the lab report, and then I finished my last journal. So now we're going to lecture, and we're going to lecture, guys. And we can't wait to be done. Alright guys, I just got out of lecture. We ended early today, thank goodness. It's 6:15. Usually she ends at like 6:45, so I was really excited about that. There looks like there's going to be a lot of traffic on the highway right now, so I'm gonna have to try to get home as fast as I possibly can, because I'm so hungry and just so tired. And I'm so happy today wasn't that bad of a Monday because of one of my classes being canceled, and now this letting us out early. So I'm gonna go home and like eat some dinner. Hopefully it doesn't take me that long to get home, so we'll see. But I'm done for today, just one more day and then off for Thanksgiving break. Alright guys, so my mom made rice with onions and steak, so I'm just gonna have this for dinner, and then I'm gonna shower and like get ready to like do my little night routine, have my tea, do some work. I think I have tea left. I have to double check, but I love having tea every night. It's like the best thing ever, and it's really soothing and relaxing. So I'm gonna eat this and watch some YouTube while I eat, because they actually just went to go pick up something from a store since I get home late today. Usually we just eat together, but I don't know what my camera's doing. But on that note, I'll see you guys after dinner. Alright guys, so I have my ginger tea and I'm going to be working on my forensics study guide. So right now I just have the study guide outlines like all like copied and pasted, and I have the textbook because I have it like an ebook, so I can like, it's easy because I can like use the little search bar up here and like search specific type like words, keywords, and it'll pop up. And plus I have the page numbers, so it's really easy to just go in and like copy and paste stuff. So this is what I'm going to be working on now because I want all my study guides done before like December comes, so I could just print them all out and study. Alright guys, it is now like 10:45 and I'm gonna get ready to go to sleep. Tomorrow I have 2 presentations and it's my last day until Thanksgiving break. But yeah, my stomach hurts so bad. I have really bad cramps. So I'm gonna go to bed early and just get rest because I just don't feel well. And I did work on my study guide and I got a lot done. Basically I'm caught up until I just have one more chapter which she hasn't taught yet. And then I'll be done with the study guide and I can print it and stuff. So I'm really proud of myself for working on that today and finishing up my journal earlier and stuff. So did a lot today and prepping for finals. So it was a good productive day. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. You guys know the deal. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Flying high like the birds and the bees.